In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navigation voice in the Waze app. If you've ever wanted directions spoken in a different voice or accent, or you're just looking for something clearer, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in a couple of minutes. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and letting the map load. Everything we do happens inside Waze, and the change will affect the voice that reads your turn-by-turn directions and alerts. Next, look to the top left of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens Waze's main menu so you can reach the app's controls. From there, tap the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Settings is where Waze keeps all the options for sound, navigation, and display. In Settings, choose Voice and Sound. This section manages what you hear while driving, including guidance, alert tones, and the voice itself. Inside Voice and Sound, tap Current Voice in the Voice section. That takes you to the list of available voices for your language and region. You'll see a variety of choices here. Some options may note that they include street names, which means the app uses text-to-speech to read out full instructions like, turn left on Main Street, while others may use a recorded voice that gives simpler prompts. Pick the style that works best for you. When you select a voice from the list, Waze applies it immediately, so there's nothing else you need to toggle. If you don't see a certain language, it may not be available in your area yet, and new options are released periodically through app updates. After you've made your selection, simply leave Settings and return to the map. The new voice is now active, and you'll hear it the next time you start navigation. If you're planning a drive, it's a good idea to set this up before you hit the road so you're not distracted. Also, remember that the guidance volume follows your phone's media volume and Waze's own sound settings, so make sure your device isn't muted if you don't hear anything. That's all there is to it. Open Waze, go to the hamburger menu, enter Settings, tap Voice and Sound, choose Current Voice, pick your favorite option, and head back to the map. Your directions will now be spoken in the voice you selected. You can always return to this menu to try different voices until you find your favorite. Thanks for watching and enjoy your drive with a voice that suits you.